The only shitty part about this new service is it doesn't like show all that well. Like I think it says over here. Look. What am I doing? Yeah, it says like Electro Jack over there, but it's like way too small. You guys can't read. Is 50 actually the minimum? I think maybe that's on the side end.
Yo, what's good? Salt.
Salt, hey, me too. Pro League, DPC probably the most notable one here. Difference of more ranked players, Divines and Ancients. Just probably just a hierarchy of like objectives. A lot of times when I do coaching, especially in lower ranks, they have absolutely no idea what to prioritize in certain stages of the game. And I, of course, like, you know, it's not an exact science.